Right now, regular people are making $5,000 to $20,000 a month. With AI businesses, nobody is taken seriously. And furthermore, these AI business models are still wide open to the masses. My name is Minchev and I started multiple different digital online businesses in the past decade. Furthermore, I've seen pattern that repeats itself among any niche and any industry. So today we're going to see 5 business ideas real AI entrepreneurs are using to print money every month. We're going to see the exact tools they're using, who pays you, and how to start each one this week. Number 4 is the one I would build today if I was starting from zero. Idea number 1: AI tools for the most boring industries on earth. I'm talking about pest control, roofing, HVAC, landscaping, auto repair, etc. Here's why this is the gap. Everyone is building AI for marketers and creators and coaches. That space is a bloodbath. It's already flooded. Meanwhile, a guy running a roofing company in Ohio, let's say, is still booking jobs with a paper calendar and missing half of his calls. He doesn't need ChatGPT. He needs a simple AI receptionist that answers the phone, books the appointments, and texts him the details. Done right, a single tool like this, sold to even 30 or 40 local contractors, can realistically pull in a few $1,000s a month in recurring revenue. Because these guys never cancel. The tool pays for itself the first time it saves one missed job. And the workflow is very simple. You don't build it from scratch. You use a no-code platform like Lovable or Base44 to spin up the front end, plug in an AI voice tool like Vapi or Synthflow for the phone agent, and connect it to a simple booking calendar such as Google Calendar or iCal. Then you sell it to one niche. Just pick one, pest control companies in your region, let's say, and become the obvious choice for that vertical. And the payoff is a quiet little SaaS serving an industry that no one or no other AI founder wants to touch, which is exactly why you win, because you are tapping into undesired industries. Idea number 2 is a bit different. Using AI to run affiliate and CPA marketing campaigns and sites, the way it should have been done all along, actually. I myself started my journey online with affiliate marketing back in the day. So here's what most people miss. Everyone abandoned affiliate marketing because writing content was slow and ranking took forever. We're talking about organic SEO reach, but AI flipped that completely. Now, one person can build out an entire review website, a comparison site, or a best X for Y content machine in a weekend instead of 6 months. And this is how it works. You pick a niche with real buyer intent. Think of something like best CRM for real estate agents or best protein powder for runners. You can use Claude AI or ChatGPT to produce genuinely useful, in-depth content. You layer proper structure so it gets picked up by both Google and the new AI search engines such as ChatGPT, and you optimize with affiliate links and offers from ClickBank, CPA networks, OfferVault, or even Amazon Associates. So you basically earn money once people click your links. And this is actually my home turf. I was the first affiliate marketer to crack Pinterest for affiliate offers, and it's confirmed by Pinterest themselves. And I'm a ClickBank Platinum Award winner with one of the top 5% affiliates globally. The reason I love this idea now is that AI removed the one thing that killed most affiliates: the time it took to produce content that actually converts and ranks. Done right, a focused affiliate site can realistically build to a few $1,000s a month in commissions, and the best ones become assets you can later sell for multiple of that monthly income. In other words, you have an exit strategy. Idea number 3, and this one is sneaky good: building AI avatar brands to create UGC content for e-commerce stores. There is a problem every online store has. They need a constant stream of real person content, someone holding the product, talking to a camera, doing the unboxing, etc. Hiring creators for that is very slow and very expensive. And most store owners have more products than personality, let's be honest. So you become the content engine. You build a consistent AI spokesperson, same face, same voice every time. Using a tool like Hygiene or Arcades. Personally, I love using Hygiene. I've been using it for a couple of years now. It's a very powerful tool. You write the scripts for the talking head with ChatGPT or Claude AI and pump out dozens of product videos a week for brands that desperately need them. The market for this is exploding because every Shopify store, every Amazon seller, every dropshipper is fighting for attention, and they all need video. You can charge per video, or even better, a monthly retainer to be their dedicated content source. Land just a handful of stores and you've got a real business that takes hours, not weeks to deliver. The payoff: you own the IP. The avatar never asks for a raise. It's just an artificial employee, right? And you're solving the one thing every e-com brand is begging for. Idea number 4, the one I built today: hyper niche publishing powered by AI. Everyone tried to flood Amazon with garbage AI books and got slapped. But that's not this. This is going narrow and going deep. Think a series of language learning podcasts where AI voices have natural conversations, a grandfather and grandson chatting in Spanish instead of dry grammar drills, or ultra-specific print-on-demand journals, planners, and coloring books for one tiny passionate audience, like gratitude journals for nurses, or puzzle books for long-haul truckers. And this is the stack you need. You generate the content with ChatGPT or Claude AI, design the covers and interiors with Canva or Midjourney, or even you can use the new ChatGPT image engine. It's very powerful, by the way, and publish straight to the Amazon KDP, Etsy, or as audiobooks or guides. The whole thing runs on one person and an AI stack that used to require a writer, a designer, and a voice artist. A single product that hits in a tiny niche can quietly bring a few hundred to a few $1,000s a month. And the real magic is you build a catalog, 10, 20, 50 products, each one a small stream that adds up. The winners here aren't the people making the most content. They are the ones with the most specific positioning. Narrow beats big every single time. Idea number 5, our last idea, and I think it's pretty good as well. And I'm doing this, by the way, on the side. And this is the one with the best long-term money in. Using AI to build and run paid communities. The shift is very simple. The community business model is the best one on this list because the revenue is recurring every single month. But the reason most people never start one is the work. Creating and training the templates, the weekly content, weekly coaching, answering everyone, answering comments and posts. That's exactly the part AI now handles for you. You pick one specific audience you can help: real estate agents, local business owners, coaches, consultants, beginner affiliates. In my case, I coach beginner affiliates to start making money online. But whatever you know or you like, it's up to you. So you spin up a community on school.com or a private Facebook group. Then AI becomes your whole back office. You use ChatGPT or Claude AI to write the lessons, build the templates, draft the weekly posts, and even answer common member questions. So you're delivering real value without burning out or hiring a team. Don't get me wrong, you still have to be involved in the community because after all, you're the spokesperson, you're the face of your community, and you know what is best for your customers and audiences. But AI can help you reduce your workflow and timing working on that by 80%. This is exactly how I run mine. I have a community called Profit Avengers on School that does around $9,000 a month in recurring revenue, and AI does a huge amount of the heavy lifting. And everything is behind the scene: the content, the resources, the structure. It lets one person run something that used to take a whole staff. And if you think about it, you don't even need a big community. In reality, a community with just 100 people at $97 a month is nearly $10,000 a month in recurring revenue. You're not chasing one-off sales. You're using AI to build an asset that pays you on repeat. So guys, if you liked the information in this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more information like this. And what should be your next step be, or what your next step should look like? If you want to see 5 additional ways on how I use Claude AI to bring more cash flow to my businesses, watch the video in the top left or right corner where I'm going to walk you through step by step.